Hi, so yeah, we ended on this part wherein we were able to get the mathematical result based on the mathematical problem. So now let us continue to the next level or next step for this one. That is, mhm, next slide. We have here, based on our mathematical result, we will now provide an interpretation for us to have the result in context. So ayun, balik tayo. The given is, say, kanina we have the, um, you wanna know ilan yung na-gain mo if meron kang investment na, if you invested 1,000 pesos, and then by the end of your investment, yung kinuha mo na yung investment mo, your total money is 1,520 pesos. Ngayon, you want to know your gain. So the mathematical problem here is like this. You have your gain is equal to the total minus or subtracted by your investment. Invest. So we know that the total is 1,520. You subtract it by 1,000. Therefore, you have a total gain of 5,200 uh, 520 pesos, sorry. So, yan, that is now your gain. Now, what does it mean? Ano yung i-interpret mo? Anong ibig sabihin ng 520 pesos? Okay, you can write your interpretation in a paragraph form or maybe just a one-sentence paragraph. Pwede na siya. Based on the result, on the mathematical result, we can say that the total, if you invested 1,000 pesos and the total amount you earned after the investment is 1,520, therefore your gain is 520. And that would imply you earned more than half of your investment. Kasi 520. Okay, so that means you earned more than half, or yeah, more than half of the money you invested. So yun, that is the result in context. You can write that one in a short sentence or in a short paragraph. Yun na siya. Ngayon, after you were able to get the result in context, you are to evaluate that one, and afterwards, kapag meron ka na namang nakitang something problem out of the result, you will now make a problem based on the result. And then you will follow the same cycle hanggang everything will be fixed. But yeah, since it is a cycle, you will, of course, see discrepancies, something sa mga errors in solving maybe, or in the problem itself. So, ayun. Ano pa ba? Let's see. Tingnan natin. So, ayan. This is the interpreting, applying, and evaluating. So, let's review muna. The first step natin is problem and context. Ito siya. Followed by the mathematical problem, wherein you are to construct the problem in a mathematical way. You can do it by making an equation, providing symbols, and the likes. Afterwards, you are to have the mathematical result. You will solve it, and then, of course, you will have the mathematical result. But after you get the mathematical result, anong ibig sabihin ng result na yon? You will now interpret it, and then you will have the result in context. After you were able to get the result in context, you will evaluate it, and then if you see something wrong with your the interpretation ba or the result itself, then you will now have another problem in context para masolve mo na naman siya ulit. Now, paano ba to siya i-apply sa real life, sa real world? Okay. Say, for example, sa government. Say, the problem sa government is ilan ang vaccines na bibilhin natin. So, ayun, i-analyze yun yung problem in context. Now, we should, if I am a government employee, particularly in the group wherein I mean, part of the group responsible for dealing with the vaccines, I should know kung ilan ba ang population natin. Ilan ba ang population in each region or, yeah, pwede na rin each region. After that one, we should know, or I should know, kung asan ba ang mas efficient, asan ba ang may pinakamataas na efficacy rate, sino kaya sa kanila ang mas effective. O sige, balik muna tayo dito. Let's focus on the efficacy rate. Now, why is it important to have a higher efficacy rate? Because we are using our money and the resources of our government. And if we will just deal or use a vaccine with a low um, efficacy rate, the tendency is, though we don't really know yet, pero baka masasayang lang yung resources na ginamit natin. So that's the problem. So balik muna tayo sa problem ha. The problem is ilang vaccines ang bibilhin ng government. So that is the problem. So you will make a mathematical problem out of that one. Pwede kang gumawa ng equation, and then later on you will solve it. You will now have the mathematical result. You will interpret it, and then you will have the result in context. Say ang nangyari is you were able to get the population of the Philippines. Um, Tapos, say, focus muna tayo sa Region 11. Say the population of Region 11 is, I don't know if this is exact, but yeah, let's try. Say 1 million, the population sa Region 11. Now, and then, ilan ba yung kailangan talaga nating bilhin agad-agad? Now, we hindi naman siya ibig sabihin na we really need to buy 1,000 agad-agad kasi it would be parang hindi siya pwede kasi hindi kaya ng budget, parang ganon. So ang mangyayari, you will just lessen that one. You will focus on the most vulnerable sector in our country. Say sa mga adults muna siya i-apply. So out of 1 million na population, ilan yung mga old, ilan yung mga matatanda? Ayan. So yun muna, sila muna lalagyan. So you will do a subtraction for that one. 1 million minus say 500, say 300,000 na mga matatanda. When we say matatanda, ang edad nila is 60 and above. Okay, now after that one, you have now your mathematical problem that is 1 million minus 300,000. And then you will have the mathematical result that is 700,000. Now what is the interpretation? Ayan. Therefore, we can say that 700,000 people, or yeah, people living in Region 11 will not get the vaccines yet kasi we will just focus on the old ones, the 60 and above na mga, yung mga matatanda. After you were able to get the 700,000, ano na naman yung problem na lalabas out of that one? So, mangyayari, iisipin mo na naman, out of the 700 na mga tao, ilan ba yung next na bibigyan? So you will now focus maybe sa mga professionals, medical professionals. So yung mga doktor, mga nurses, ilan sa kanila ang kasali doon sa 700,000 na kinahanglan nimo hatagan immediately og vaccine. That is now another problem. Then you will now have mathematical problem, mathematical result in context, and then you will now again have a problem. Ayun. Because this one is a cycle. So, ayan. Patuloy lang yan. Ikot, ikot, ikot lang. So, yeah. Ito siya ang concept ng mathematical literacy. Even if you say, maybe na, wala mo na ginagamit in real life, uy. But actually, it is really being used. Kaso lang, it is not really recognized as part of mathematics. Pero ayun, hindi ka makakapag-solve ng isang problem, especially in mathematics, if you will not understand how, why, and yeah, how and why you are doing that one. So for this video, yan na muna. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you understand this video. And if you do have question or clarification, comment down below. And here's one thing more. To my students, this is additional point for you. Kindly comment a problem in context. Say, in real life ha. Kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, yung parang sa vaccine. Make a problem in context, and then put that one in the comment section. Tapos, babasahin ko yan. I'll give you additional point. So, thank you so much everyone and have a great day. Goodbye!